I bought two-inch drop spindles, but I'm gonna use like a 0 to 2-inch coilover, so that it's still, I don't know.
Yeah.
So the geometry's right, but the knuckle's higher,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Isn't that what you want? Can you grab me that tall one in the middle? That's the pickup tube, I think. Whoops.
All over here with the stock market going in the background.
It's on the Milwaukee over there.
How thin that is. That doesn't hit fucking the windows tray or anything.
Yes.
Holy fuck.
Oh, you mean here? How thin it is there?
That's fucking close.
Look at this. It looks like a rod's already trying to get out.
Oh my god.
What is that? Oh, it's where they warped when it welded.
Fucking looks like it'd be close to the bolts.
Thing's sweet, dude.
That is.
Needs a turbo drain.
Fucking see yourself in it.
Right? It was like $8 or $10 more for the aluminum one instead of a steel one. I was like, oh, the aluminum should be lighter, right? I think. This thing's not even in here straight.
So what's it for? Any LS?
Yeah, I think. Look at they welded it inside and out, guy. Not all the way around though. These will probably hit each other when I tighten them. Won't be able to get in there.
Where did that come out?
Huh?
Oh, right here.
It's weird they don't just sell this with it. You have to buy this extra, like, additionally. I don't know why.
What is that pickup from the bottom?
I think it's just made for this pan.
Their own?
It looks too nice to be their own, but it does say Summit on it.
Yep, that's sweet. Wish I'd put something like that in my Mustang, 'cause it looks like
I
it's
wonder, doesn't it seem like that's really tall right there?
No,
No? It's got the little bump for it.
no, because when the timing cover's not on, you can usually reach in there and get that bolt.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's got two. That's cool. It's got the double bolted flange too. Nice. Only the best for Ron Burgundy.
When's he doing your window?
I don't know. I still haven't heard about it. The window. Actually, I should message
I
him.
didn't figure that guy would be over here media blasting that frame today.
No, he told me Sunday. He's like, let's do it Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday's the window blast. He's using water. Wouldn't you think that would freeze up too?
I don't know. Is that how the dustless works? Is water?
Yeah.
I don't know. All right. I don't know. That one's got all kinds of good stuff in it. Dude, check this one out. This is I guess a lot of guys get like a Pinto rack, but it's too long. So then you can't correct the bump steer because the tie rods are so short or something like that. So this is like a mod, it's like a custom rack. That's the right width.
Who makes it?
I don't know who makes the rack, but TRZ puts the whole kit together. Quite a few, huh?
Fucking nothing.
Just a little tiny piece of cardboard in the middle. I sold all the old suspension and the rear axle and everything for $300.
You did? Who bought that?
One guy in Marketplace.
What was he doing with it?
Same guy that bought the motor. Sold the motor, the trans, the 4 wheels and tires that were on it. Not the slicks, but the original Olds wheels.
One with all that shit.
I don't know. He just wanted it, and then radiator support and something else. Rear axle, front suspension, wheels and tires. And I guess that was it.
One of these?
So that was, he got all that for $500. I think I got for all that
Really?
stuff. Yeah. So now that my car cost $500.
That's good.
Yeah.
Plus
Look at this. This is all shrink wrapped.
Fuck out of here too.
Yeah, I know, right?
Sitting here.
This is nice. I'm not going to cut this apart right now. I don't
Can't
think.
believe people would buy that, like all that shit.
I know. Is that he's like 82 years old or 80 something years old? Yeah. Steering rack installation. Oh, I got stickers. I'm gonna probably save all that. Look at the mounts. Those weld on? Oh, what are those? Yeah. Double. One mount there, and then there must be a clamp on one. That's cool. It's all TIG welded. The 3 U-joints for the shaft, chrome Holley shaft.
That's sweet.
Heim jointed outers.
That's your fucking...
Oh, it's gonna be nice. That's gonna be really nice. That's awesome. That weighs as much as the stock steering box, and we lost all the drag links and everything.
Yeah.
I got the 25.5 book too. I was just showing the camera. I got the 25.5 book too. The dictionary. That was $40. You can't find it online anywhere.
You can get it.
You have to call SFI and order the book. Pay online or pay over the phone, and they mail it to you like this. Yeah. Right out of a catalog. Just like you're ordering parts in the
I missed the catalog, dude.
15 years ago or something, yeah. All right.
What do you mean with that? Putting it up there?
I don't know. I don't think so. Yeah. Actually, I'm not going to cut it too much because it's easier to keep it all together. Stuff in here. That steering column, how light that is. Yeah. Oh, that's the heater delete. The big aluminum heater delete panel.
Sweet.
Whoops. Look at that, dude.
Fucking rad support.
Yeah. I should have told them I didn't need the radiator mount. Or maybe that mounts the whole thing. I don't know. Wait, is this upside down? I don't know how this goes. No, it must be this way, right?
Fenders must go to that, maybe.
Yeah, but how does it go to the frame? You know what I mean? Like the stock body mounts? Maybe that's got something to do with it right there. Yeah, maybe.
Something else that hooks to it.
We'll figure it out. It's a heck of a lot cooler looking than the one that came off.
Right.
that's for. Must have just been for packing. We got the laundry mount. Nice.
Go right to where the bumper is.
Yeah, it takes place of those big crash strut things that were in it.
So then you just put the bumper on back on over it.
Yeah,
Go out through the bumper.
yeah. It's not nice. It's awesome. And then these are the front bumper ones.
Oh yeah.
Front bumper mounts. I think that might be right over there. Nice. That's it. Just waiting on floor pan and floor bars, I think. Maybe a couple other things I ordered that I forgot about. Let's see how this fits. Everything you buy for one of these has the option to get steel or aluminum, and everything I got aluminum. And anything that was steel or chromoly, I got chromoly.
Really?
Yeah. This looks a lot lighter than the heater box.
That's what I picked up fucking Ron Burgundy on that.
Yeah, I should. I was thinking if I do any forward bars off of the cage, if I do a dash bar and then a forward bar down to the front end,
Yeah.
it would probably come through this, but. Look at that.
Fucking man.
Got a little booger here. It's not going to let me
That metal.
put it right on. Must be something pretty strong.
Yeah, that's sweet. Block right off.
Yeah. Awesome. I can't test any of this other stuff out, but that's pretty cool too. I kept the stock ones in the other garage. It is way heavier than that. Sweet.